Hello, Ron here. I have my newest video up here. It's a little compilation of some footage I took last week. I had a pretty good spring week here in New Jersey. It was like the first full week of May. So I got out to a couple of locations. This is the location at the Cooper River Park in South Jersey. I'm flying the DJI Spark, which is about a year old from its announcement now. I have a ND8 filter on here, and flying at about mid-afternoon. It's like a little veterans park. There's a little island kind of in the middle of the river, but I just want to compare a couple different drones here. I have the Spark, the BUGS 2W, and an oldie, the Syma X8. I don't know the X8 whatever HG. I don't know the other number, but I have the HD camera attached to it, which takes 1080p, and I believe it's 8 megapixels. So now I moved on. I'm still flying a Spark. I moved on to a second location here. This is like a little lake. Not too far from my house. A lot of this footage I have it in like 2x speed to move things along a little bit. This is later in the day. This is no filter. This is kind of near sunset. The color's pretty good here. I did color correcting on the Spark here too on this video, so it is a little bit color corrected. Okay, now we're moving to my normal field. It's a school that's near my house, basically just walking distance almost. I'm flying the BUGS 2W here with the polarizer filter that came with the Hubsan 501A. That's why you see the halo around the outside. It's really not the precise size of the BUGS 2 lens. So I'm whipping around here in GPS mode. It's late in the day, maybe an hour before dark or dusk. As you can, this video I couldn't speed it up because the video quality out of the BUGS, if you try to speed it up or do anything to it or stabilize it, it degrades the quality of the video, and it's all pixelated and blurry. I did do a slight color correcting here. Again, you can't. It's not enough information here on the video recorded to do much with it, but I made the colors pop a little bit more than they normally do. BUGS 2, still a great flyer. I mean, it's a shame that they had to drop the ball and put such a poor camera on it, but it's a great flying drone. It's still a favorite of mine. I even flew a little bit of FPV with some cheap VR goggles. Okay, here we move on to the all-reliable Syma X8, which is, almost 3 years old at this point? We're flying it around. Again, this is the same thing, like maybe around 6:30, 7 o'clock at night here, and it gets dark about 8 now. Just whizzing around, again, the same ball field here, same ball field, different day. Around sunset here, got some nice mix of clouds there. Again, this camera, even though it's, again, an older camera, it's actually a much better camera than what's on the BUGS 2. You can see it's clear, the colors are better, much more detail in the stuff. It's just a shame that the Syma X8 such a bouncy, quad here. As you can see, slight jello and wrong shutter in this, which the BUGS 2, for all its camera faults, there's almost no jello or wrong shutter in that thing at all, where this still has it. Again, it's a shame, I tried to fix this up with a little stabilization, but the same thing, it just degrades the video so much, it's not worth it. So I hope you like this real kind of drone and camera comparison on this spring night. So I'm going to say goodbye, and, again, I hope you liked it, and come back and see me in the next one. All right, this is Ron.